Welcome to Inner Sky Radio, your space for reflection, transformation, and spiritual release. Tonight, the moon is full, and with it, the energy of illumination, surrender, and renewal. The full moon shines a light on what you've been carrying, on what needs to be let go, so you can become more of who you are meant to be. So find a quiet place, light a candle, or simply close your eyes and allow this moment to become a sacred ritual just for you. Let's begin with your breath. Breathe in deeply through the nose. Hold for 3. Exhale slowly through the mouth. Again. Inhale light. Exhale anything heavy. Feel your body begin to relax. Feel your spirit begin to open. The moon does not rush. Now quietly say this to yourself, or repeat after me. I am ready to let go. I am ready to release what no longer serves me. I no longer carry what weighs down my spirit. I forgive what hurt me. I forgive myself. I let go of fear, of doubt, of old stories. I make space for peace, for clarity, for renewal. I release attachment to outcomes. I trust the unfolding of my life. I am not defined by my past. I am guided by my healing. Take a moment, and in your heart, name what you are releasing. Say it aloud or in silence. A person, a memory, a habit, a belief, a version of yourself that no longer fits. And now, imagine it rising out of your chest like smoke and dissolving into the moonlight above you, effortlessly, without resistance. Now imagine the full moon above you, large, luminous, still. Its light is cleansing you, washing over your body like sacred water. From your crown, down your shoulders, to your heart, to your feet. The light touches every shadow and makes it sacred. You are becoming weightless. You are becoming new. Repeat these affirmations to anchor your transformation. I welcome new beginnings into my life. I am aligned with the rhythm of the universe. I am open to receive guidance and peace. I allow change to flow through me with ease. I rise with wisdom from what I've released. I am whole. I am healing. I am light. Breathe in again. Feel your feet rooted to the earth. Feel your crown open to the sky. You are the bridge between release and renewal, between the past and the possibility. You have let go, and in doing so, you've made space for the miraculous. Return to this ritual every full moon, or anytime your soul needs a release. Thank you for allowing Inner Sky Radio to be part of your healing. Until next time, be gentle with your becoming